everyone, my name is Maria Carmo. I'm from Cardano community, and today I'm going to talk about this project that's called Earth Natives, and they are doing the minting at the moment, but they have a few collections, previous collections out. If you want to check them out, you can come to the secondary or to the marketplace called JGP Store and find out more about these guys. You also can find out about in the website, Community Explorer, Message Roadmap, the team. At the moment, we go to the minting part of the website. And here is some instructions. You need to read them to make sure you understand. I'm actually going to use a wallet that's not here. That is the Eternal. Here you have a choice to get more units, so you do everything in one transactions. I'm gonna only buy one as an example for this tutorial. I'm gonna click in buy. Here I am supposed to connect one wallet. I wanted to connect my Eternal wallet, but for some reason it's not connecting. I'm gonna go over to the process so you can check with me that is not working and what's the solution. So I just prove I'm not a robot. So I'm gonna click buy now. So it's supposed to open my wallet now. So for some reason is going to have this error. It's going to happen for many reasons. One of them because you didn't activate the collateral or because the Dapp are not on. In the case of my wallet, everything is okay and for some reason still not working. So what you can do for still joining this project, you just come over here and send manually. So you just take here the options that you understand the guidelines, you accept the conditions, you prove you're not a robot, show the wallet address. So here is the wallet that you're gonna send 50 ADA. I'm gonna copy from here. So now in my wallet, payments, I go to send, put the address I need to send and the amount of I need to send, so it's 50 ADAs. Next. Now I'm gonna type in my password and sign the transaction. After you sign off the transactions, you get this message, congratulations on your purchase, and you get this link, reveal the token, to find out what is exactly your token, the NFT that you got. And here you can see the one that I got. I hope you like this tutorial. Please leave your comment below, subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications. See you soon.